guys, my name is Tiasia Cockrell and welcome to my channel. Alright, come on in this room, you guys. I am reviewing a unit that was sent to me by Gorgius Hair. So thank you guys so much for sending this braided wig, okay? This is so freaking cute. Let me just tell you that now. I'm excited to tell you guys more about this unit. It is a 13x4 unit, 24 inches. And it has the trinkets, it has the pendant in the front. It's definitely a throw on and go. A little custom, a little bit of work with the baby hairs if you want to. If not, don't. Cut it off and you good. But it's one of those units where you don't have to do too much to it because it's done. So I will show you guys how I styled it a few ways towards the end of the video. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and kick it with your girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I show you guys more of my personality and more of how I style myself from head to toe. Alright? Other than that, let's get started. So first things first, I try to do the ball cap method. Every time I try something different, it doesn't do it. What happened to the rest of the cap is my question. I don't know, but I will say though, overall I think I did alright on this side. So we're gonna see what it look like, but next time I'll just stick to my regular throwing on a cap, just and then put the wig on. Just something simple. I'm really simple. So I received this beautiful box by the brand Gorgius Hair. I'm a sucker for beautiful packaging. I just feel that your brand stands out when you do something different. So do that different, okay? Okay, so this is the box that came in. I have not opened up anything yet, so you guys are seeing what I see. Alright, I have the wig. I'm gonna open this up in just a second. I just want to see what the goodies we have today. So we have a cool little iridescent bag. Let's see what the bag comes with. Ooh, we got some goodies. I love me some goodies. Okay, so we have a tweezer. Oh, we got a good little tweezer. Might definitely need that. Some hair clips. The edge brush. A band for the back. Some bobby pins. Make sure I ain't missed nothing. And everything goes back in the little baggie so you don't lose it. I love these little travel bags because, honey, I be leaving with my girls. And I don't want to have to take all my hair, like my hair big bags. I just want to make sure that I convince myself I can pack light. Are y'all like me? You just have to pack 7 bags for 2 days? We never know what we're going to do. Anyways, also put some wig caps in here. I need it because apparently I don't know what I'm doing. So we're going to have to practice a couple more times. Okay, so here is the bag. It's the wig in. And this is a braided unit. So I hope y'all ready for this. You guys, so this is a 13x4 braided unit and it's 24 inches. And yeah, it's given tribal. It's very long. It has the blue and green rope braid, and then it also has a blue pendant in the middle. So it got some accessories. They sewed the braids together in the back, so it gives it like more of a full, it won't open up kind of look. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, so here is the inside of the wig. It has combs on the inside as well as an elastic band. You can adjust that to your size of your head. Hey, right now the hair is kind of shedding. I don't know if it's because it's braids, but it's like little pieces of hair kind of falling. And only reason I know that is because I have on shorts and it's really itchy. So hopefully it stops once you keep rubbing your hands through that through the wig, but it's nothing too bad. But that's something I definitely noticed. We are going to use the tinted lace wig powder by Red Kiss. Okay, this is what I use in all my wigs. And I'm just going to take my powder and my brush and then just brush it in the inside of my wig. Now actually, you know what, before I even do that, I'm going to go ahead and spray my wig with a lace spray. Let's do that first. Yeah, we're going to use this lace spray. This is by the Wig Dealer and this is in the shade Honey. If you haven't seen my other videos, this matches my skin tone quite nicely. So we're going to go ahead and spray the inside of the wig and then the edge of the wig, and it should definitely blend in with my bald almost scalp. Alright, so as you can see already, the lace looks more brown toned like my skin. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and we're going to go ahead and just blow it on down, dry it on down. Okay, so right off the bat, I like how it lays. Like, it's not really big and bulky at the top. Like, I've seen some ones that were pretty bulky at the top. This is not giving that. The braids are super neat. Only thing is, I really do have a big head. I thought I was giving a little bit smaller head, but if your head size around mine, I can't tell you what it is. The wig kind of starts a little bit behind where I will usually start my wig, so hopefully I can finagle that. But yeah, I don't think it's yeah, I think we should be good. It's very snug. I feel very secure. It has a comb in the back, so I'll put the comb up and underneath my nape area. And okay, I like it. And then a little blue. Listen, and then the pendant, I've never like just actually worn a pendant right in the middle of my forehead like this. So this is going to be interesting. It's giving very much bohemian. I do feel like I should be able to, once I cut the lace, style this a couple ways. So I'm excited to see what I could do with this, honey. What we about to do? What we about? All right, I'm jumping ahead of gun. Hold on, hold on. All right, so as y'all can see, okay, that's not bad right there. I just have to do a little finagling. This is why I personally don't do bald caps, because my hairline comes very, very far down and it's weird. I can't really explain it, but me doing this, we gonna be all right. Yeah, we're gonna be all right. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use my wig dealer spray. Can is a little dirty, but yeah, I'm gonna use my spray. And this is always my go-to. I'm just going to spray my hairline. I'm gonna blow dry it on low for just like a couple of seconds. All right, now we're just gonna slide the wig back up. All right, so I'm gonna take a band and I'm just going to put it right on top of that hairline for a little minute. Let that sit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some baby hairs down, and then any kind of brown makeup you see, I'm gonna wipe it off after. But yes, let's go ahead and cut some baby hairs. I'm gonna take the Sea Moss collection from the Curls collection, wrapping lotion, and I'm gonna put it on my edges. It's like a foam. It's a foam. I always do gel usually, but I want to see what the foam does, and then maybe I'll lock it in with the gel afterwards. Which I know I'm all about experimenting. Guys, so I am finished with my baby hair. I love how the scalp is looking. I'm gonna go in with my tinted powder, kind of put it through my parts to make it come out a little bit more. See how that just kind of popped a little bit, because the lace tint did what it needed to do, but now the powder is going to bring it out just a little bit more. And then also I'm gonna put it on my hairline, so it looks like it's just kind of flowing out the scalp. Listen, Gorgius Hair, y'all really did it with this unit. It's so pretty. It is so pretty, and it's constructed so well. The braids look like somebody took their time with this unit. I'm just gonna keep adding to it. Now this is an optional thing. I just feel like it kind of makes some of the black dots in the cap unit disappear a little bit more. And then, honey, you can't tell me I got a wig on. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look, and let's just get into her. Come on, braided unit. Very much so tribal, easy unit to throw on. If you didn't want to do baby hair, you could have cut the baby hair off or styled them differently. I am a fan of baby hair. It's just kind of like my thing, so I love it. Only thing is, for me, I would not have done the bald cap method. I don't ever do it. So I tried, and it wasn't like a complete fail, but it was like not my best work. Okay, I'm not even gonna hold you, but I think it turned out really cute. The braids are so neat. Here's the ends. It's like just a nice unit to throw on and go. The color pop is such a little add-on too. I like it. And then the pendant on the forehead and the gems at the top. I'll show you guys what the top of the hair look like. You could throw this hair into a low bun. You could do like a frilly pony. Here's a cute little style. Oh, it's giving like Tokyo vibes a little bit. I love the little wind around color in the bun and then the rest down. All right, you can also gather the hair up at the top and just put like a little low ponytail or a low bun. Leave some hair, some braids in the front out. Baby hair is coming through, coming out, and it gives another look. Do one of these little numbers. That's cute. Gorgius Hair, y'all really killed this unit. I love a good braided wig, especially if it's like given very much so realistic hair, especially hairline, scalp, baby hairs. Like you have some baby hairs in the back. That's y'all did that. Definitely recommend this to my homegirls. Share the love, share this hair video. Other than that, I will see you guys later. Bye.